When it comes to reliable heating services in Las Vegas, Nevada, Honest HVAC is your trusted heating contractor. With a commitment to honesty and quality craftsmanship, we specialize in providing top-notch heating solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our skilled technicians offer expert installations, repairs, and maintenance, ensuring your heating system operates efficiently and effectively. Transparent communication and upfront pricing are our priorities, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience for our clients. Trust Honest HVAC as your go-to heating contractor in Las Vegas, Nevada, where integrity and professionalism are the foundation of every service we provide. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a heating contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC, who provides heating contractor services in Las Vegas, Nevada. Honest HVAC is a trusted provider of heating contractor services in Las Vegas, Nevada. What heating services does Honest HVAC offer in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC offers a comprehensive range of heating services including installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement for residential and commercial properties in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your heating contractor for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local heating contractor have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100, 9205 West Russell Road, Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.